to my YouTube channel. My name is Rismangobeni, the legal connoisseur, here to make legal knowledge both comprehensible and within your reach. We are on the second episode of the Varsity First Year Law Student Guide, and I'm quite excited. Today's topic is basically things that I wish I knew prior to commencing my LLB or BA degree that I think are quite essential that you know now, so that you are not shocked as I was. So let's dive right straight into it. Please kindly follow me on Instagram as well as TikTok. It is at Becoming Advocate Ngobeni. Number one is that the workload will be a lot, right? The workload would be a lot, but my advice to you is that the same way you got through matric and the same way you got through that year that everyone told you was difficult and that year that everyone expected you to do well, it's the same way you're going to get through 4 years of your LLB degree or 3 years of your BA law and 2 years of your LLB. It is preparation and consistency. Preparation in a sense of, as soon as you receive your course outlines, please kindly sit with your course outlines and write down the most important days. And the most important days are your test days, your presentation days, and your assignment submission days. You don't want to miss that. Additionally, you have to sit down and map out a study timetable. You are not going to get through university if you don't start studying prior. I know there's a lot of us who tried studying nights before, but I can tell you that it is a anxiety revoking game and you don't want to put yourself in that situation. So the first advice that I would give to you is that make sure that you are prepared. And driving right straight into consistency. The more you study, the easier the course gets, and the more you feel like you are not falling behind. Trust me, you don't want to fall behind in your LLB degree. You're going to be playing catch up for the rest of the year. So make sure that you do not fall behind. Guys, it's so difficult catching up. Like I told you, the workload is a lot. So you don't want to play catch up the last weeks of the exam because now you need to know the content for you to go write the exam. So my advice is that do not fall behind. You don't want that situation. So that covers the first one where I was discussing the workload. The second one is that instead of saying that law is overly saturated, just understand that law is overly competitive. You are in competition with everyone that wants to make it into this industry, and it is the same as any other industry that people go into. So the reality is that my advice would be, if you can be the best at what you do, be the best at what you do. Instead of aiming for a 50% just for you to pass the module, the sky's the limit. Raise your academic goals as high as possible, because also that will assist you with procuring an offer for your master's, or alternatively even getting to work for the biggest law firms in this country. Or even then, you'll be the best at what you do because you would have put in the work. By the time you get to practice, you will know so much. So that is another advice that I have for you guys. The third advice that is quite important, that I actually want you guys to take a note of is your mental health. Every university has got a mental health department that assists with giving sessions to students that are struggling with their mental health. There's also like university clinics. Please do utilize that, guys. If you do feel that, you know what, you are not doing well mentally, please reach out for help. I believe that before you can handle anything in life, you need to take care of yourself. So take care of your mental health. You don't want to deal with it when now you are severely depressed or you are severely anxious. As soon as you start picking up the symptoms, please reach out for help. It is really quite imperative. And then the third one is have a mentor. And by basically having a mentor, you don't have to have a mentor that is already practicing or whatever. You can have a mentor that is also a student just like you. Maybe they're in 4th year or 3rd year of study, guys. That helps you a lot. For my first degree, I had a mentor and he assisted me with my first assignment, showed me how to write, how to research, and all of those things, guys. That's so important. It's so important. It honestly really helped me with navigating the university space. So where you can get a mentor, who is also in the same university that you're in, who is just maybe 1 or 2 years ahead of you, please do that, because it's going to help you navigate the university system just a little bit better, right? And then the last one, research. Make it a habit to research about the career path you want to get into. Law is very vast, which means that there's a lot of career opportunities. You can be a prosecutor, you can be an advocate, you can be an attorney, you can be a legal advisor, you can be in compliance. There is just so much. You can be a forensics investigator. There is so many career opportunities that you can take with your law qualification. And while you're studying for that 4 years, please do your research. This page is actually literally meant for that, so do watch out for the videos that I post, because I will be posting that kind of content going forward. Right? So those are the things that I wish I knew. Additionally to that, if you don't have LinkedIn, please open your LinkedIn account. And if you don't have Leaply is a website where people apply for work, articles and things like that, mostly in their second year of study. I do think that it is quite essential that as you're sitting at home right now waiting for your metric results, you are opening those accounts and you're filling in all the necessary information. Like your Leaply is gonna also need your metric results, your average and things like that. So please put that in and have that ready, so that when time comes for you to apply for articles and for you to apply for work, that account is already ready. With LinkedIn, it's a networking opportunity that you must take. And what do I mean? It's a website where you get to meet fellow law students, you get to meet practicing legal professionals, and there's a lot of information that is shared there that can assist you with deciding what you want to do with your LLB. So my advice would be ensure that you have those 2 accounts. I am going to make a video in this next sessions that I'm doing to show you guys how you open a LinkedIn account and how you open a Leaply account. So please do stay in tuned and in touch with this YouTube channel. This is all I have to say for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. I'll see you guys in my next video. Tomorrow I am dealing with bursary opportunities that are currently open that you must take advantage of and you must apply. We're basically going to be discussing the question of funding. So that is the 3rd video that we are dealing with. Thank you so much. My name is Risimangobeni. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a lovely day. See you guys tomorrow.